Let's solve this question together. It says 7 raised to the power 2x is equal to 392. We're about to solve for the value of x in this question. Okay? Now, the first thing we can do here is write out the multiples of 392. Alright? So 392 can be said to be equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. Okay? Now this can be written to be equal to 2 cubed multiplied by 7 squared. Now you can replace 392 with this in this equation so that we have 7 raised to the power 2x to be equal to 2 cubed times 7 squared. Alright? Now, at this point I can say that let's take the logarithm of both sides. So we can say the logarithm of 7 raised to the power 2x will be equal to the logarithm of 2 cubed times 7 squared. Okay? Now this logarithm I'm going to take it in the base of the number carrying x. The number carrying x here is 7. So I'll take the logarithm in base 7 of both sides. Okay? Now what I have here is now 2x multiplied by logarithm of 7 to base 7 to be equal to, on this other side I can split and put plus. So I'll have logarithm in base 7 of 2 cubed plus logarithm in base 7 of 7 squared. Alright? Now, when you have logarithm of a number to its own base, the logarithm is 1. Okay? So this logarithm of 7 to base 7 is 1. 1 times 2x is 2x. To be equal to, on this side, we multiply. So we have 3 multiplied by logarithm of 2 to base 7 plus 2 multiplied by logarithm of 7 to base 7. Alright? Now at this point, you can see as well that this will strike out because this is 1. So that we have 2x to be equal to 3 multiplied by logarithm of 2 to base 7 plus 2 times 1, which is 2. Okay? Now moving on from here, we can now say that let's divide each term by 2. So that we have that our x here, because 2 divided by 2 is x, is equal to 3 over 2 times logarithm of 2 to base 7 plus 2 over 2, which is 1. Okay? So this now becomes the final answer for this question. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video.
What's going on, guys? It's watching here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel. So please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.